know that there are only 750 of these cars being built for the entire world? That's it, 750. And right now, we're talking about one of the most emotionally charged, sonically addictive, collector-grade machines Audi has ever put on the road. The 2026 Audi RS3 Competition Limited Sportback. Let's get straight into what actually moves this thing, because that's what you're really here for. Under that hood sits a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-five cylinder engine, producing 400 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, pushing power through Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system. 0 to 100 km/h happens in just 3.8 seconds, and the top speed? Lifted all the way to 290 km/h. Now, here's the honest truth. Audi didn't bump the power over the standard RS3. Same numbers. But does it drive differently? Absolutely. The coilover suspension has been completely redesigned with 3-way adjustable shock absorbers, letting you separately tune high-speed compression in 15 steps, low-speed compression in 12 steps, and rebound in 16 steps. A setup manual and the tools you need come right inside the car. That's not a gimmick, that's a track day toolkit in your boot. A stiffer rear stabilizer at 85 Nm/mm and raised spring rates at the back deliver sharper cornering than the standard car. The torque splitter sends power to the outside rear wheel mid-corner, while lightly braking the inside wheel. The result is a sportback that rotates willingly and feels genuinely playful. And the sound? The firing order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, creating that unmistakable irregular 5-cylinder growl that no 4 or 6-cylinder can fake. Audi even reduced firewall insulation so that sound reaches you more directly. In dynamic or RS performance mode, the exhaust flaps open earlier and it gets even louder. Now, fuel economy, officially rated at 20 city, 29 highway, and 23 combined miles per gallon. Real-world numbers though? Closer to 19 miles per gallon when you drive it like it deserves to be driven. And towing? This is a performance sportback, not a trailer puller. No towing capacity whatsoever. For safety, ceramic brakes with red calipers are standard, fade-resistant under extreme heat, alongside adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist. Pricing for the Sportback starts at €108,365 in Germany, roughly double the standard RS3. Expensive? Yes, but with only 750 examples ever built celebrating 50 years of the 5-cylinder engine, this is less a car purchase and more a piece of automotive history. What do you think? Is it worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.